Now for a check of the forecast as we head into the weekend, and it is only going to get colder.
Yeah, really feeling like winter. It's a bitter cold moving in by the time we head into next week. We've got some sunshine though today. Makes it feel a little bit brighter out there, of course. Up in Algona, some blue sky. Same for Seven Oaks over in Boone, and then more mid and high level clouds as you head down into southern and especially western portions of Iowa, where a little bit more cloud cover has rolled in. But northeast Iowa, northern Iowa, a good deal of sunshine here as we head into the lunch hour, and a few breaks in the clouds closer to the metro area right now. So we'll see a nice, decent day today. It is dry. Partly cloudy skies will persist here through the afternoon. Today feels more like the single digits for pretty much all afternoon hours today. And then tonight stays cold once again. Feels like single digits, if not sub-zero, up into northern Iowa late tonight. We head into Saturday morning. Another cold start to the day, 6 a.m. Feeling like low single digits out there for central and southern Iowa. Not much change here, or I should say just better conditions out there as we head into Saturday afternoon or evening. We don't rebound much through the afternoon. Still feels pretty cold for much of the day on Saturday. Here's what it looks like with our next storm system incoming by Saturday night into Sunday. Time-wise here, a lot of those impacts I think will be felt across far southernmost Iowa into northern portions of Missouri. By Saturday afternoon, we're pretty much locked into the clouds, so a pretty gray day tomorrow. We head into Saturday evening. We could see a few snowflakes here, maybe a few light snow showers close to central Iowa. But watch what happens. We head into the day on Sunday. This is around 10 a.m. Most of that snow really stays across southern Iowa into northern portions of Missouri and then points further down to the south. We kind of stay dry but cloudy all day Sunday here in central Iowa. Those biggest impacts again are going to be across the southernmost portion of the state. Everything kind of wraps up by Monday morning. We're back to maybe some sunshine to start off the day on Monday and a quieter start to the work week next week. Check out some of these snowfall totals here for places like Lamoni, Clarinda, Centerville. Those of you across the southernmost tier of counties there across Iowa, you're looking at the most impactful snow. We've got a lot of dry air in place, and that's really going to cut off our totals here for central Iowa. There's likely going to be a sharp gradient in snowfall totals the further south you go, and it's possible we don't get any kind of snow here in the metro area this weekend. So keep watching the forecast here as that storm system finally makes its way onto the west coast and eventually into the plains and upper Midwest here this weekend. Again, timing is going to be late Saturday night into Sunday. If you have travel plans to head south into Missouri, definitely want to take into account the forecast because it's going to be worse the further south you go. Today's forecast has us right around 20 degrees. We'll see some sunshine tonight, back to the single digits, and then tomorrow's forecast into the upper teens again. Getting colder next week though. Overnight lows by the time we hit Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday mornings into the low single digits. Highs coming in the low teens for next week. But I think we do see more sunshine right now, looking pretty quiet as we head, aside from the weekend, as we head into the next 8 days.